God, it's busy.
Harold, which ice cream you want? We want bubblegum as well.
This is where that Bob Earnshaw guy was, wasn't he? Oh my lordy lordy.
John, we bought a packet of crisps.
Oh.
Oh, I have no idea. At least we booked tickets.
Yeah, we just got to get parking now. Blimey. I didn't think it would be as busy as this.
No.
Well, the sun's come out. I think it's the first day of the school holidays and it's a Saturday.
We want bubblegum. They want bubblegum.
I'm glad we didn't bring Max because it'll be like cheddar again. But there's no international tourists. These are all British people.
Yeah.
Those two people, right? There comes a beautiful place like Bourton-on-the-Water, and their heads are both in their phones. Someone that smells bubblegum.
200 yards, turn left to stay on Rissington Road.
Yeah.
Take the next left to stay on Rissington Road, then your destination will be on the left.
Next left. Some parking space. Oh, no, that's the wrong way. It says car park straight up. That's the housing estate. Ah, the Birdland. There's Birdland there.
Okay.
You are? No. I'll drop you guys off and go and find somewhere.
Yeah, we're Birdland.
Oh dear.
Yeah, not a good move.
Cars.
No. I think it's going to be pointless trying to park in there. It's so not going to be anywhere. This is test. Turn around. Those people just actually went in the wrong way.
We in the pub. Help us. We're going in the trap.
You're going out with him.
You are? Am I?
Yeah.
Oh shit, no exit. Whoops. Ah, that's alright. Yeah, there's no chance we're going to get parked there.
In 200 yards, turn right to stay on Risington Road. Take the next right to stay on Risington Road, then your destination will be on the left.
How many spaces there? That's probably residents only, isn't it?
Yeah.
In a quarter of a mile, turn right onto Moor Road.
Stop that. I don't think Google can help us in this one. What's that then? Parking all day, £5. Happy days.
Field.
That's what we need.
That house in there. The manor.
Nice.
Someone's making
Oh my lordy. I know.
Cotswolds.
Yeah. So what's going on here? So that can't be full up, surely. There's a big queue of traffic behind us, but... Ah, there we go, it's moving a bit. No bloody hell. Fiver. Oh yeah, you're right. There we go.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, cheers. That's lucky we found this place. Oh, I'm doing windows up. It's getting a bit dusty.
Oh, yeah. Wow.
Oh, see, now I'm in a field. It makes me want to do a bit of off-roading. Put in a 4x4 and spin the wheels. Oh,
Straps, babe.
there we go.
Oh, there's someone's.
Hello, hello. So we're on a little jolly. Oh, no. Hello, hello. Good afternoon, good evening, morning. Welcome. We're on a little jolly today. We've just been in the truck for about an hour. And where are we going, Annika? Where are we going? Yeah. Birdland. We're going to Birdland.
Bourton-on-the-Water.
What are you doing?
What are you doing? You can watch this later on.
What are
There's
you
our little
doing?
mascot.
What are you doing? We're going to
What are
Birdland.
you doing?
What are you doing?
It is
They're
so
watching.
packed full of people in Bourton-on-the-Water today. It is ridiculous. We found a field to park, which is £5, and we didn't bring Max, luckily, because I think it's going to be hell.
It's
We will
super
make the
hot.
rest of the day.
Super hot for Max.
Super hot
for
for
Max.
Max. So Buddy is our stand-in
The heroes need
stunt
to
guy
stay
dog.
here.
So he's
The
coming.
heroes need to stay here.
They popped.
Yeah. So who's staying here? So Captain America's staying here.
Yeah.
Who else?
So we'll take our juice and our bags.
Spotting me.
Spider-Man
Spider-Man.
and Iron Man.
So we're going to get out and get some food.
So we're going to get out now because the car's hot. We're going to get some food and we'll see you in a mo. Say bye-bye to the internet.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye. So here we are walking into Bourton-on-the-Water. Hey guys.
See just how busy it is in a bit.
Oh, it's heaving.
Well, when we walk into the town, yeah,
Oh,
there's
is it
not a
here?
blade of grass free.
No. People everywhere. Well, it'd be quite nice, like out of season.
We need to cross over.
We do. Won't cross yet though. But I'll.
Then Mummy can watch the video. Mummy and Daddy can go, look, there's Honey in Bourton-on-the-Water.
Yeah.
It's like Millionaire's Village.
It is. It's a
Safe
town,
to
isn't it?
cross.
Not yet. We'll wait until we're a bit further down.
Some amazing houses.
Oh yeah. Look at the big gates.
Oh.
Things you want. Oh, do you want to walk for a bit? No, I didn't. Hello, Mr. Duck. There we go. Look, Birdland. There's a sign for Birdland. There's birds here already.
Just about to go in.
Oh dear.
Duck. Duck.
Come on, there she's going.
In we go. Oh, look at the ducks, Honey.
Oh, look, she there.
Birdland.
That's a lovely little duck. Yeah, Birdland. Birdland. I don't know if you can see that on the camera. There's a massive fishy down there.
Can you see him?
It's huge, isn't it? Oh,
One big fish.
wow.
He's just over there. Can you see
Probably
him?
trying, yeah, probably trying to keep away from all the people.
Oh, there's lots
There
of
he is.
fish. Can you see him? Oh, there he is, look down.
There's a fish and a duck swimming together.
He's under the duck. Oh, look, he opened his mouth.
Yeah.
See there, look. Oh, he's got some bread.
Oh, there's another couple. Look, you see the smaller fish.
Even though it's busy, we're going to ignore the busyness and just enjoy ourselves.
We are.
Someone's lost their drinks bottle.
Oh
yeah.
no.
Should we go in?